camped for 40 years.
Oh, wow.
40, 50 years. You know, so you know the ins and the outs. We're, you know, learning about electronics, you know. That's a
Technology's evolved since, you know, 40 years of van lifing.
Exactly.
You know, and it was actually a kind of a freak thing, because we was at home in Boynton Beach, and there was an ad on the TV for the West Palm Beach RV show.
Okay.
So we thought, let's go there and see what's new, what's some of the great things on RVs and stuff like that. We went in there and started looking at the fifth wheels and some of the bigger ones and that. Then we got over to the section for the smaller ones, and then we ran into the Grech. And being RV people for 40 plus years, we know quality.
Sure.
We've seen the difference between good doors, good hinges, and all the
and those little things make a huge difference.
And we started looking at the Grech, and we're going like, holy wow. And we had no intentions of buying.
Sure.
And we walked out with the mindset that this is what we want right here.
Okay.
And then Linda went on one of her research.
Sure.
Because
that's what the wives do, you know?
Well, you know what? She's really good at it. And when we knew what we wanted, but we couldn't find one, finally she found one in San Diego, California.
Okay.
We bought it. We flew out,
Yeah.
picked it up, and spent almost a little over 2 weeks driving back.
Very cool.
So hitting New Mexico, Arizona, Louisiana.
So you ventured right away.
Yeah.
You put it to the test right away.
Absolutely. You know, I mean, we knew we were flying out there. I mean, I called every dealership in the United States.
Wow.
You know, well, I was price shopping.
Sure.
You know, and you would think I would get a good deal in Florida. You know, no, I had to go to California.
But the other thing too that we like about it is that the size of it, because you can actually use it as a second vehicle
Sure.
for ours,
Sure.
which is great. And then, but also we have 3 kids, and they live in 3 different states. And with this being equipped where you can kind of, per se, off-road, we spend a lot of time in rest areas.
Sure.
Versus hotels and stuff like that. We've got all the luxury we need right here.
Yeah.
And then,
Now, how is staying in this? How is you mentioned that you don't have to spend a lot of time in hotels. So is this you know easier for you?
Well, yeah, because I mean, I'll drive it now. I mean, you know, when you have a big motor home or a fifth wheel, by the time you do your truck and your fifth wheel, you're over 60 feet.
Right.
I won't drive that.
Yeah.
You know, here I can hop in, go to the grocery store. We can go to state parks. We can, you know, we're not limited where we can and can't go. It's unlimited.
Sure.
You know,
Yeah.
when in our younger years, you know, we did a lot of four-wheeling and, you know, running the power lines. I mean, we've done it all, you know, and now it's, like I said, now you want, you know, you got the aches and pains. Now you want the luxury. But the interesting thing is just talking to the people. And they're all basically RVers, and they are all basically downsized.
Right.
You know, so it's, and we were torn between the Airstream and the Grech.
Yeah.
And
well, your neighbor just explained his Airstream story over there, and you're probably hearing that and going, woo!
No, we didn't. But no, I mean, yeah.
Oh, he was just saying, you know, I mean, yeah, you know, it was nice, but you know, having to tow and you know, just the overexertion of having to tow a trailer versus now get up and go. Yeah. There's no unhooking, rehooking. Where am I going to park this? Where am I going to put this?
Exactly.
You know, if I just want to go run errands,
yeah,
you know, if I'm going to the grocery store, if I'm going to pick up some supplies,
well, you know, and it's a different lifestyle too, because we're Floridians, okay, and we're boaters, and we just sold a tugboat, and you know, so now we live on the intercoastal, yeah. So now it's the water and the salt, where before, you know, in Michigan and everywhere,
sleet and snow.
Well, no, everywhere else it's fresh water.
That's true.
Now
That's
your
true.
maintenance is 10 times higher,
sure,
because of the
salt air. Yep.
So you want to simplify.
Sure.
And it's really, you know, it sounds easy, but it's not.
Yeah.
I mean, we're still decluttering, and it's been 3 years. You know.
You know, one thing I want to emphasize with the Grech is the customer service from the Grech people.
Yep.
People like, John Black and that. I mean, he's never not called us back. He's never not answered our questions. I mean, it's just, the service is incredible. I mean, that alone is worth the few extra dollars you pay to get a quality vehicle or coach versus, some of the lesser expensive ones in that. Because
Yeah.
I mean, just like this right here, they care about the Grech people, and they show it. And when they say appreciation event, that's exactly what this is. I mean, look around.
Right. Right. That's one thing I've noticed too, and that is once again the general consensus with all of the other owners is that customer service. They mentioned John, they mentioned AJ, they mentioned the fact that they are going above and beyond, and I think it's more important that what they're building here is an actual authentic community. They have got a great community and a great culture because they want this to be a lifelong, ever-evolving, positive community of happy van lifers in the Grech community. So I appreciate you saying that, and I didn't coach you on saying that at all, did I? No, you just said that on your own. I just want to make sure that was clear.
Don't forget to give us the $20.
Yeah, I'll cut you a check. Yeah, I'll give you some Bitcoin. I just want to ask Minnie Pearl if there's anything that she wanted to offer or say. Minnie Pearl?
I guess not.
Okay, well, she doesn't like the mics, but she loves the Grech RV. So, guys, thank you so much. Enjoy your time here in beautiful Tampa Bay and this amazing winter weather that we're having. I like how you got up top with the jacket, but then you got the cargo shorts and the flip flops, buddy. You're really settling into Florida well.
The other half is Michigan.
Guys, thank you so much for your time. I look forward to seeing you throughout the week.
All right.
All right, have fun.
Take care.